the most important part of this evening is yet to happen. The Green Awards that we are here for, the people who've actually devoted their lives for the cause of making our city and our planet greener and more sustainable. And as responsible citizens, the first opportunity and duty that we have is to applaud them as they come up here on the stage and get their due. Ladies and gentlemen, the green heroes that we are about to honor are the people who did not wait for perfect conditions, did not wait for applause, and simply stepped forward for cleaner air, safer water, protected biodiversity, and a more responsible tomorrow. And we want to thank them for all their efforts. And to do the honors, I'll request Dr. Pankaj Sharma to please join us on stage. Also, our PMC Commissioner, Mr. Naval Kishore Ram. Sir, may I request you to please join us on stage to celebrate these heroes of environment and applaud them for what they do day in and day out. And requesting everybody else to please take your seats. May I request everybody else to please be seated now. Everybody in this room to please be seated. All the people here on the right of the stage, please take your seats. All our environment heroes, wherever you are, be ready as I'm calling their names one by one. Let's start with TUV India for corporate sustainability. We have a representative from TUV. जोरदार तालियां उनके लिए होनी चाहिए. The heroes that we are here for today. I would now like to call founder of Without, Mr. Anish Malpani. Congratulations, very well done, and we're all very thankful for what you do. And now I would like to call Mr. Tanveer Inamdar from Tree Eye Foundation. May I request you to please join us on stage. Mr. Tanveer Inamdar, ladies and gentlemen. May I now invite Ms. Kajal Shah and Mr. Prashant Bhatia, the General Manager from Kohinoor Group. Thank you so much for your efforts towards sustainable practices. We need more people like you. May I now request a representative from Jeevit Nadi. This is an organization that's been doing some fantastic work, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for doing real on-ground work that helps all of us here in the city of Pune. And may I now request a representative from Anandvan Foundation. example of how we can create urban jungles within the city. May I now request Mr. Ronit Lahoti to please join us on stage. So Ronit is in US right now, and these are his proud parents. Congratulations to both of you. May I now request somebody from Youth Green Club, representative from Youth Green Club. Yes, come on, come running. We need our youngsters to be running and gunning for these causes. Thank you so much for your efforts. May I now request Ms. Padmini Panse to please join us on stage. Congratulations and very well done, Padmini ji. May I now request Mr. M.V. Thomas to please join us. Congratulations, Mr. Thomas. Thank you so much for your efforts and contribution. May I now invite representative from the Water app. Of course, some of the biggest changes that can come in sustainability will come from technology and technological advances. And Water app has been doing some great work in that field. May I now invite from Green Thumb Environment Protection Group, Veteran Lieutenant Colonel Suresh Patil. Mr. Patil served the country in the forces. And then, of course, even after his retirement, serving the country through his efforts towards a green future. Thank you for your efforts, sir. I'll now request Founder and Managing Director of Blue Energy Motors, Mr. Anirudh Buvalka. May I request Mr. Anirudh Buvalka from Blue Energy Motors. I think he's not here. Representative from Embertron Systems Solutions Private Limited. Embertron. A representative from Vasundhara Abhiyan. I'll now request Ms. Varsha Rajkhova to please join us on stage. Ms. Varsha Rajkhova. And now may I please invite upon stage Mr. Santosh Natha Bandal, Chief Managing Director, Valentina, to also join our dignitaries in doing these honors. Our next awardee is Mr. Alok Kumar from Sarthi Green. Mr. Alok Kumar from Sarthi Green. There he is. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And from Advanced Nature, I'd like to call Mr. Jesh Krishnamurthy. Sir, may I request you to please join us on stage. Mr. Jesh Krishnamurthy. Thank you and congratulations, Mr. Krishnamurthy. Thank you to all our dignitaries. Thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, of course, I know we are only a handful of us, but even one person can make a change, and I want to end you with this thought. If we ignore green alerts, tomorrow we'll issue red warnings. And let Pune not be a case study of damage. Let us all decide that we want to be a model of revival and action. Thank you so much. Good night. I've been your host, RJ Tarun. Thank you.